Yeah, we're very excited for him. We're traveling over to Paris on Thursday. So this will be the first time that we have ever watched him at the Olympics compared to the last in Tokyo. So yeah, we're very excited and very proud of him. Last time we were sitting here in the sitting room watching him, but then this time around now it's going to be completely different. So it's really good for us to even feel like what an Olympic experience for a family supporter is like. I do genuinely believe that he has fight in him, and that he can really dig deep down, coming from like even like if he has any sort of resilience, I know he can fight. So he probably works best as maybe the underdog because less pressure. You never know what could happen, isn't it?
Yeah. So you think his chances are good? Do you think he's in with maybe a shot at a medal?
You never know. I don't want to say anything because that puts pressure on him then. So all we want to do is for him to enjoy the whole Olympic experience and us to be there and to make sure that he soak in every single minute is all we want of him.